Hello everyone, in this video we found some interesting facts about animals. And before that, make sure to subscribe.
Are you interested in knowing some astonishing facts about animals that are unique and generally not known by people? No doubt that every animal has its own unique body and features, but some animals have unique features. Here, I have brought for you the 10 amazing facts about animals that you have not heard before. Let us see them one by one. Crocodile swallows stones for swimming. The first fact you would be pleased to know is about the crocodile. Crocodile has a vast stomach. It swallows the stones not because they are nutritious or tasty, but for increasing the amount of their time underwater. The Integrative Organismal Biology Journal once did a study, and according to that study, the crocodiles who ingest stones equal to 2.5% of their total body weight increase their diving time by 88%. And this helps them keep their bodies underwater with only eyes and nostrils outside the water and catch the prey wisely. Some experts say that the stomach stones help crocodiles to digest their food. The crocs will crush the food, such as the animals, with shells and hard bones that will make the digestion process more manageable, which is another reason that is presented for swallowing stones by the crocodile. Other people say the crocodile feels full by swallowing stones. Some experts also say that stones are swallowed accidentally by catching the prey. All these are facts that are presented by the experts. The second animal on the list is a polar bear. When you hear the polar bear, the color that comes to your mind is white, but that is the color of polar bear hair. The skin is black. You might know for the first time that polar bears have black skin. Nature has not created anything without a purpose. If you see the white fur match the snow that provides the camouflage to the polar bears. The skin has a thick layer of fat, which keeps their body warm. On the other hand, the black color on their skin absorbs sun rays. So in this way, polar bears get benefit from white fur and the black body. We know that every creature has life for a specified time. An individual is born, it grows, lives its life, and dies, which is the regular life cycle. But recently, scientists have discovered that there is an immortal creature known as Turritopsis dohrnii. It is quite a surprising fact that the immortal fish live their life, grow and reproduce, but instead of dying, they turn themselves into the same juvenile creatures, and that is how they begin a new life from the start. Are you shocked? You must be thinking about whether some way can kill jellyfish or not. The answer is that if they can be killed if swallowed by other animals, the jellyfish turn themselves back into polyps or juvenile stage whenever they face starvation or any environmental stress. Have you heard before that an animal can taste with its feet? No? A beautiful animal can taste with their feet. These are butterflies that we usually see flying here and there. The butterflies have taste sensors on their feet that allow them to assess that they leave or the petals they land on are edible for them or not. If the sensors on their feet indicate the food, then the butterfly laid the eggs on the spot. Mostly, the butterflies depend on liquid food like nectar from flowers or juice from the fruits. There are some flies as well that have sensors on their feet that indicate food after which they have to eat. These are the unique characteristics that other animals do not have, and this unique fact is unknown to many people. communicate by using signals, which may be audio or visual, chemical-based or touch-based. But calling my name is the unique behavior seen in the only animal after humans that is the bottlenose dolphin. Yes, there have been individual researches on this topic, and it has been found that dolphins can produce whistles to call each other, which is a similar process as the human is shouting another human's name. They also call the names of loved ones when they are lost. The dolphin shouts its signature whistle that is its name and allows others to know about its presence. Usually this whistle is heard up to 20 kilometers away. There is a proper variation in the whistle in order not to mix each other's names. Owls are the only animal on Earth that does not possess the right eyeballs. Instead, there are eye tubes fixed on one position. The immovable eyes make it complicated for them to see in the surrounding. They have limited vision, so they need to move ahead or the body to look around what is going in their environment. And this will make their prey alert because of the produced sound. But with time, they have evolved time to spin the neck to about 270 degrees without making noise. Do you think why that is so? The owl is a nocturnal animal, so it needs to collect light in the dark to see clearly. But due to the small skull, prominent eyes are not suitable. So they have tubes that help collect more light in the dark and make it possible to see clearly at night. And this might seem unbelievable, but the Altshuler postdoctoral students scientifically prove it, and his colleagues at the University of Las Vegas figured out about the plight of honeybees. They use high-speed photography to study the flapping of the wings of honeybees. They have exotic flight mechanisms because of the small size and short, choppy wing strokes, and wings' faster rotation. As the wings' aerodynamics power decreases as the wing size decreases, the insects have to increase their beats per beat to keep their body. And this is why the bees flap their wings 200 times in 1 second during their flight. The mosquitoes have 400 beats of wings per second to keep their flying in the air. There is one more fantastic animal on this list. You must know about the ostrich, that it laid giant eggs, but you might not know about the speed they can run. The ostrich is a bird that cannot fly, but you will be delighted to know that they can run faster than humans and horses. Sometimes ostrich can be faster than cars, and this is because ostrich has long legs, and their wing is tiny and lightweight. So it is the overall body shape that makes them run faster than horses. Secondly, the lion's roar is quite popular, but few people know that the ostrich roar can be louder than that of a lion. Along with that, the ostrich eye is larger than the brain. These are two essential but rarely known facts about the ostrich. Penguins are lovely animals and are adorable in their behavior. They live on the shores. Penguins usually use their pebbles for building nests during the mating season. These are romantic creatures, and a male penguin finds a perfectly smooth and beautiful pebble on the shore and proposes a female penguin. If the female accepts the stone as a gift, it means she agrees or accepts the male penguin's proposal, and then the male and female bond for mating. And this is how the penguins are using pebbles as a sign of love for their beloved mate. And that shows how romantic penguins are and the beautiful culture that most of the animals do not possess. This behavior is rare and obvious in penguins during the mating season. Male seahorses gave birth to their children, which is astonishing but true. Male seahorses can produce up to 2,000 babies and have a pouch in their belly. Males undergo pregnancy that lasts about 25 days. The process begins with dance and swimming together, resulting in a courtship dance that lasts for about 8 hours. During this, the female will deposit the eggs in the male pouch. The eggs are fertilized in the male pouch. The eggs mature in the pouch, and the young ones grow in the pouch of the father. When they are ready to be born, seahorse observes muscular contraction, and newborns expel the young one into the water. The young ones are no more cared for by the parents, so they are more susceptible to the damage caused by predators or the environment. Only 5 out of 1,000 survive to adulthood, but it is considered good because, unlike other fishes that release the eggs into the environment, at least seahorses are sheltered in father's pouch at the early development stages of their life. These were only 10 amazing facts about animals. There are countless species of animals that have quite amazing features.
And that's it. Thank you all for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and like this video.